Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my all matte base for my face. So keep on watching. So the first product is going to be the Total Makeover FF Cream Foundation Palette. So the first shade that I'm gonna go for is Cocoa. I like to use the warmest shade all over my face. The warmest shade acts like a corrector. Once I have my first layer of base down, that was Cocoa, I like to go with Honey as my concealer. And I like to go more heavy-handed for this one so that I get the maximum coverage. Now just to add a tad bit of light and more definition to my features and to my face, I'm going to use the shade Latte. So I like to go under my eyes first, a little bit around my nose area, around my lip, center of my forehead, on my cheekbones, and right center of my nose. Next, I'm going to take Glow to Glam's fixing powder and set my under eye and everywhere I don't want to add color. Radiant Matte Compact from the Lip collection from MyGlamm, and I'm going to use this around my face just to warm up and act like a bronzer. Now it's time to add some blush to your face, and I'm going to use the Game Face from the CHISEL palette. It's time for my favorite part. I'm going to use the black eyeshadow from the MANISH MALHOTRA Rendezvous palette. Now it's time for our lips, and I'm going to use my favorite shade from my favorite lip collection, that is the BUTTERLICIOUS lip collection. So there you have it guys, this is how I do my all matte makeup look. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.